Now let's consider a text from Test 1 IELTS 9, William Henry Perkin. I have highlighted certain keywords in the text within 3 minutes. Now let's take a look at the first paragraph. The kind of words that I've underlined or highlighted are mostly nouns, proper nouns, like London, arts, sciences, laboratory, chemistry. Let's consider the second paragraph. City of London School, Thomas Hall. I have also underlined phrases like perceived by his teacher. Names like Michael Faraday, Royal Institution, Royal College of Chemistry. Verbs like succeeded. I have also highlighted words like breakthrough. These words are going to help me solve questions at the end of section 1. Therefore, I have highlighted certain words which I think would be helpful for me to solve the questions. Try not to underline the entire line, as this might as well confuse you while solving the questions. Try to underline just 2 to 3 words in an entire paragraph. Let's continue skimming the next paragraphs. Highlight words like quinine, malaria, South America, names of trees, names of scientists or teachers like Hoffman in this case, take up the challenge, star pupil, desirability, aniline, coal tar waste product, mysterious dark sludge. So I've also highlighted words like did not, because by this phrase I understand that there would be some important information around it, and therefore I have highlighted it. Words like investigate, potassium dichromate, aniline, alcohol, deep purple solution, Lewis pasture, potential, phrases like unexpected find. I believe this might be helpful for me to solve questions. I have highlighted words like historically because this gives me an idea that they have referred to the past, and this might be helpful. Natural sources, granular mucus of snails, difficult, purple, expensive, natural dyes. So I've tried to highlight adjectives as well. Muddy in hue, against this backdrop, quickly grasped, world's first. I've highlighted it because I believe there's some important information. This person has invented world's first synthetic dye. He got it patented. He was fascinated about something, instant recognition, commercial possibilities of the invention. What did he name his invention? Tyrant purple. It was also called mauve. Robert Puller, name of a person that this person might have come across. Relatively low cost. He left college. Modern chemical industry. I've also encircled facts like 1857, name of an empress, fashionable ladies, England's Queen Victoria, bold, fast, continued his research, black, green, red. So this looks like he invented some other colors. Medical research, stain, bacteria, microbes, bacilli, tuberculosis, cholera, anthrax, malaria. So I believe these are the words that are going to help me to solve these questions. Now once you're done skimming the entire text within 3 minutes, now you will read the questions.